And it's okay. Um, if you don't like Nicki Minaj, that is certainly your choice because we all have to have a reflection of who we are. You know, this reminds me, and I'm just getting ready to do this for you, so I got you, of what Nipsey Hussle
Okay.
says. He says that this self-hatred things go so much that what happens is you will go outside of what you consider to be your circle. Do you guys remember when Nipsey was talking about that? You will go outside your circle and you will find someone who looks like you, acts like you, but is somehow just opposite to you. And that's the one that you say, there he go right there. Let's get him. Let's kill him. Let's get that one. And I thought, wow, that's pretty deep, Nip. That's pretty deep. And sometimes I think when we look at each other collectively as people, we seek to persecute,
Mhm.
but we do it in such an asinine way. We do it, as P. Diddy say, in such a
Mhm.
bitch ass way. Like you won't go over to Nicki Minaj page while you over here saying all this stuff about her. If you really want to help the sister, maybe
Wow.
maybe it's something she doesn't know that obviously you know better. Why don't you gather a bunch of women together and why don't you share the light instead of trying to tear someone down or to do these things? Why would you waste all this energy in that space when there's so many people who could use your true wisdom? See, that's where the real power is. When we want to talk about black people that we've been brainwashed, we've been brainwashed to learn how to hate each other more than we hate anything else on this planet. We've been
Mm.
taught to give hate to each other more than we give to anything else on this planet. We will stand up and kill each other with our words, with our thoughts, with guns, with violence, in any kind of way that we can do it against each other and hide behind anything than to stand up for what is right. I think all of us are perfect. Every single one of
Mm.
us is perfect. We are all perfect, and everyone serves to pull a role here on earth. And it is all good. It all comes from good, and it is all good. And if we could focus as much energy as we focus in on hating people, on really getting to know ourselves. See, that's the work of the priestess. Then we could move forward collectively instead of trying to hate something you have no idea what you're hating. You are hating a reflection
Okay.
of
Okay.
yourself.